I've mentioned my dad's favorite dessert on multiple different episodes, and here it finally is, lemonade pie.
This one's an easy one. It's quick, and you're gonna love it for summer. It's so refreshing.
It's creamy, like a super rich, creamy ice cream. You're gonna love it. Now, when my mom says something's gonna be fast, I mean fast, we're talking about 10-minute desserts.
Or less.
Or less.
Or you're looking at, not counting the pie crust, this is a 3-ingredient recipe.
I'll go ahead and grab the whipped cream.
There you go. 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients, 5 minutes, and the best freezer pie that I think I've ever had in my life. Let's get started, Mom.
Let's do it. So, this is a lemonade pie. This is Gil's favorite. When you were growing up,
we ate this.
We had these every week, especially if it was summertime. The kids are playing outside and it's
Company
hot.
coming over, church socials, camping.
It's kind of like an ice cream pie because it is a freezer pie. And you've heard of, lime pies. This is a kind of take on it. It's lemonade pie. We've tried it with lime. You can switch it by
limeade.
Limeade. You can also do it
cream soda.
Yes, you can do it with the orange
juice.
Orange juice frozen concentrate. You can add a little bit of cream cheese to make it, if you're doing the orange sickle, and it makes it stick together better.
You can add the cream cheese to the lemon too.
You can if you want it to be a creamier texture. But this is an easy recipe. We got this recipe from a lady in our church when you were little. And we've made it ever since.
I don't know where it came from, but I knew I grew up with it. A really big thank you to Maeve for sponsoring this week's video. Feeding your dog can be a lot like cooking for your kids. You want them both to get really good, nutrient-packed meals with quality ingredients, but let's be honest, they can both be a little bit picky. Although I think we found the answer for our dog with Maeve. Maeve is the first human-grade raw food for dogs, packed with lean proteins, organ meat, fresh produce, supplements for gut health, and here's another thing I really love. It's flash frozen, so it's designed to be fed straight from the freezer. No prep, no mess, no thawing, just real food made easy. Our dog Scout is part of the family. On most days, he follows Whitney around the house or plays in the backyard with everybody, and on Saturday mornings, he's in the back room watching cartoons with the kids. He was always a bit picky about his dinner, but since switching to Maeve, he's eager to eat and excited about every bite. So if you're looking for a better way to feed your dog, one that's simple, clean, and packed with everything they need, give Maeve a try. Just click the link in my description and use my code BAIT for 20% off your first order. Your dog will thank you later. We buy the pre-made graham cracker crust. You can make your own, crush the graham crackers in the butter and all that, but this is so easy. We're all about Now this recipe makes 2, and so we've got the big frozen 12 ounce.
So 1 large can of the frozen concentrate, 2 cans of the sweetened condensed milk, 1 large tub of Cool Whip, and your 2 graham cracker pie crust, and that's literally all you need. And there's no rhyme or reason to this. You just mix it all together, throw it in the pie, stick it in the freezer. I
will typically leave the whipped cream because I've thawed the whipped cream, so I'll leave it last, and I'll mix the sweetened condensed milk and the lemonade. And if you're going to add cream cheese and get a little of that more cheesecakey flavor and make it a little bit more stable, like if you're going camping with this and it's going to stay in the cooler for a while, cream cheese is a great addition because it will stay just a little firmer. Without the cream cheese, it tends to, once it starts thawing, become a little bit unservable.
So I like this because you make it the night before in literally 5 minutes. You
or
stick
the month before.
Yeah, it can stay in the freezer, but you literally stick it in the freezer and it's ready for your event the next day. You typically sit it out on the counter for, about 5 minutes so that you can slice through it because it is frozen. And I love these pie crusts because, you flip the plastic lid off and you turn it upside down to store it, and you can stack them in the freezer so easy.
And sweetened condensed milk, guys, this is not a health food recipe. This is not your daily serving of fruit because it has a lemon in it.
This is your treat. This is one of your splurge,
This is a cheat day.
Yeah, this is a cheat day. This is the day your kids are going to thank you for, though. They're going to think, this is a special. They did something special. Give them this for dessert.
Now I'm just going to blend this up really good.
Another reason I loved this when y'all were little, Zach, I could send y'all to the kitchen and say, make lemonade pie.
Yeah.
A young kid, if you want a project of cooking in the kitchen with a kid and you want something simple to start with, this is one they can do on their own.
I didn't think of that, but this is a perfect And it helps build that confidence that, hey, I can cook something in the kitchen.
We could have company coming over and the kids made the dessert, so it gives you a chance to brag on them and, you know, build their confidence. And say, you know, little Zach made this dessert for y'all. And
Michael made this one a lot.
Right. All the kids, I think, had a turn in it before it was over because it is such an easy.
Well, I sure love the eating it time.
Such an easy. So this was Dad's dessert. If I would give him a choice, there's lots of desserts he likes. He likes chocolate cake. He likes banana pudding. But if we gave him a choice, he would always ask for lemonade pie.
Well, I can see why. This one's a good one. You can put it in here frozen as well. If it's a little more, if the whipped cream's a little more frozen, you're going to have to use the blender. But I can fold it in a little easier and keep a little bit of that foamy texture, and that looser texture. It's
going to freeze in the freezer and get more solid. So it's going to be liquidy at first.
Yes.
When you're first filling it. The first time we ever had this, we had gone to a church potluck, and the lady had brought this for dessert, and Dad said, honey, get that recipe from her. So we've been making it ever since.
Well, in all honesty, there is no greater reward to good cooking. Everybody loves to eat good food. But when somebody else loves something you've made, I mean, that's like the pinnacle of cooking. When somebody else tries it, I love when we put these recipes out here and people will DM me on Instagram or we'll put in the comments, we made this tonight and my husband loved it, or my kids came back for seconds. This is definitely going in our meal rotation. I love that feeling because that's the next best thing you can get. But the best feeling in the world is when you've got family over or something like that and you cook something. And to you, you know it's good and you love it, but there's just something different about somebody else saying, wow, this is really good. I need this recipe. Well, then you know, I've done something.
Well, y'all know I've been on here before. Zach makes the really fancy dishes. If I made it, I had so many kids run around and, ooh, my plate was full. So if I made it, it had to be cheap. It had to be just a few ingredients, and the main thing was it had to be fast, and it had to be good enough that the kids would eat it. Yeah. So this fit all of that, and it has stayed one of the favorites for all those years. How old are you now?
I don't want to talk about that.
You're going on like 36, aren't you going on that this year? Yeah. So we've made it, I guess, for 36 years. So this was tried and tested and has passed the test. So
it has passed the test multiple times because this is also one that got made a lot for company. Sorry, guys, I would try to show you this better, but I'm not that versatile with this thing. I found
definitely was a company dessert because it was easy.
And every time, I don't remember a time that you made this that when you said lemonade pie, it didn't grab people's attention. They were like, oh, I want to try that. They'd be like, okay, well, I mean, it's something sweet. We'll eat it. But every time somebody ate it, they were like, the same kind of thing. Can I get that dessert recipe?
And
wow, this turned out
when we put this in the freezer, after it comes out, you can kind of smooth the top and make it smoother, so you don't have to worry about it right now, or you can smooth it now. I know you're kind of a perfectionist.
No, I don't smooth it. I just stick it in there.
Lid.
What I do is, because it comes out frozen, like you said, I will heat up my icing spreader. I don't know what you call them things. I will heat it up in hot water in the sink, and it'll also make that top look a little bit glossy. I'll just scrub it around to the shape I want, and there you go. Yeah. It's not even been, filming normally triples the amount of time it takes to make something. It's not even been 10 minutes, and here we are, 2 pies going in the freezer, ready for tomorrow.
This is a childhood memory right here.
This is. Thanks, Mom.
The only thing we're missing is Dad to enjoy it with us.
And don't worry, I made 2 of these this morning. I know they're supposed to wait overnight, but I made 2 of these this morning real quick, so that we can try them on camera and show people what they taste like.
So after this filming event, Zach has invited us all over tonight to eat supper, and we're going to let Gil enjoy his dessert.
So this just came out of the freezer, and I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. You don't have to. And then we're going to push down all the little edges here.
Zach's all about presentation. I love that.
Well,
so it look good and taste good. I
should have got some of that squirt whipped cream, but I didn't, so I'm just
homemade version. That's good.
Little popping bag here. I think I just missed the middle too, but oh well.
Oh, perfect.
And then let's set that aside here. I love an episode that I get to use my knife. Any episode that I get to cut something is a win. Let's do a little slice of lemon, and this one does not have lime in it, but just for the color.
For the color, yeah, that'd be pretty.
I'm gonna put a little piece of lime in here.
Yeah, and like we said earlier, you can totally switch to limeade frozen concentrate if you want a lime pie. You can switch it to orange juice concentrate if you want an orange pie.
Dreamsicle.
Orange dreamsicle pie. So this is a versatile pie. And your kids will love it no matter what flavor you do. The lemonade is Gil's favorite just because it's got a little bit of the tartness and sweetness. He loves it.
But it's not overly tart.
No, it's perfect.
That's the crazy thing. It's just a little bit sweet, just a little bit tart.
Right. So, of course, this came straight from the freezer, and you want it to be cold, but if it sits on the counter too long, you'll notice it's starting to wilt.
I don't know that these froze enough. We were in kind of a hurry.
Yeah.
And I'm just hoping that these froze enough to set, because it can be a little bit tricky. They can look more frozen than they are. The best way to do these is overnight. It truly is an overnight pie. But it doesn't just do overnight. You can leave these for probably a week or two in the freezer, and they will be just perfect.
And if you do buy the pre-made crust like we did, it's got the little plastic lid on top, so you can stack them up in the freezer.
We used to keep a few of them stacked.
Yeah, I've made 5 or 6 at a time and had them stacked in the freezer just so I could take them to church easy. It's perfect. It literally is. It's a 5-minute recipe, and so good, so refreshing.
Well, I don't know how to use one of these things. There we go. Not the prettiest look right there with me getting it out of there.
It's all about the taste.
But
here we go.
Here we go. Just like I remember. Wow. I mean, you picture you're out on a hot day.
Yeah.
Grilling some hot dogs. Somebody pops one of these bad boys out of the freezer. This is everything. Everything you could want in the summer.
This is how I used to get brownie points with your dad.
Yes.
If I needed to ask something, you know, I'd have one of these ready.
Instant brownie points right here. You make them 2 in a batch. So even if you're just making one, you've automatically got one set back.
Right. And like Zach said, it saves because it's in the freezer. And literally, it's like you're eating ice cream plus a cookies in it because you got your graham cracker. It's so good. Oh.
It's not tart like a key lime.
Right.
It's just a little bit of sour.
It's the perfect blend.
And that perfect blend of sweetness and creaminess like ice cream.
We've made them all. We've made the lime. I always go back to the lemonade because it's Gil's favorite. Like you said, it's the perfect amount of sweet and tart. Not too tart, not too sweet. It's perfect.
No matter which one you make, I promise you, you're going to thank us later.